Hi, I'm Stu Wright, Executive Chef at Comcast Arena at Everett, and this is the Arena Grill. The menu here at the Arena Grill is packed full of traditional Northwest cuisine and fan favorites, including my 5-alarm foghorn chili. Not able to make it to the game tonight? No problem. I'll show you step by step how to recreate this super spicy chili that'll knock the socks off the sports fans in your family. So come on back to the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done the right way. Hi, I'm Chef Stu and we're back in the kitchen. Today we're going to make our famous 5-alarm foghorn chili, starting with an onion, followed by some jalapeno. We have a hot wok in front of me. I'm going to put in a little olive oil, just a bit, about a tablespoon, followed by our onion and jalapeno. Give this a little stir. Now I'm going to add some ground beef. And this is an 80-20 ground beef. Get a little fat in there, give it a little extra flavor. I don't want it too lean. You can hear that sizzle, everything's working nicely. And then the next thing I want to do is hit it with a little local organic blue water vodka. Let's put a little kick in it and a little flair. And then I'm going to put it out with Scuttlebutt, local beer. This is all coming right from the marina in Everett. And then I have my core spices here. I've got some kosher salt. I've got some black pepper. I've got some garlic powder. I've got some onion powder. I've got dark chili powder. I've got light chili powder. I've got some smoked paprika. Got a little bit of chipotle powder. A little bit of habanero powder. Of course, some cayenne pepper. And everyone's favorite, cumin. And I like to put a lot of cumin in my chili. Finally, Mexican oregano. And the reason we use Mexican oregano is because it's got a lot more flavor. It's very flavorful. And why would you put anything but Mexican oregano in chili? Give it a little toss. Next I'm going to add the body, which is our super top secret marinara. We make the marinara fresh here every day. Finally, I'm going to add some red bell pepper, kidney beans. Give it another stir. I can let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes and it's ready for the table. How's it taste?
Good.
Now that's Food Done Right. To find this and other great recipes, you can read my blog at chefstu.com, or you can follow me on Twitter at Comcast Chef. So how was that? Was that all right?